Okay, so you're planning a trip to Dubai and want to stay connected without breaking the bank? You're looking for the best eSIM provider, and I've got you covered. Let's talk about a couple of options and how to get them set up. Traveling internationally can be a fantastic experience, but staying connected can be a real headache, and often a costly one. Roaming charges from your home carrier can be exorbitant, and hunting down local SIM cards in a foreign country can be time-consuming and inconvenient. This is where eSIMs come in as a game changer. eSIMs, or embedded SIMs, are digital SIM cards that are built into newer smartphones and other devices. They eliminate the need for physical SIM cards, making it incredibly easy to switch between different mobile plans. For travelers, this means you can purchase a local data plan for your destination before you even leave home. No more airport SIM card kiosks or confusing local carrier stores. You land, activate your eSIM, and boom, you're connected. When picking an eSIM for your trip to Dubai, there are a few things you really want to keep in mind. First off, coverage is key. Make sure the eSIM provider has good network coverage where you'll be. Don't just assume it will work everywhere. Take a quick look at the provider's coverage map to be sure. Next, think about how much data you'll need. If you're someone who likes to stream videos, upload photos, or use apps heavily, you'll need more data than someone who only needs it for maps or checking social media now and then. Price is another big consideration. Compare different plans to make sure you're getting the best deal. It's important not just to look at the total price but also at the cost per gigabyte so you can make an accurate comparison. Also, consider the validity period of the plan. These plans usually last for a set number of days, so choose one that fits the length of your stay in Dubai. Activation should be easy too. Most eSIMs are activated via a QR code, which is usually pretty straightforward, but some providers might make the process even easier. Customer support is something you'll want to check out as well. If something goes wrong with your connection, it's helpful to have access to good support, like chat or phone assistance. Lastly, if you plan on using your phone as a hotspot to connect other devices, make sure your eSIM plan allows for it. Airalo is a popular eSIM provider that many travelers consider for their international data needs. They offer a range of eSIM plans for various destinations, including Dubai. However, as with any eSIM provider, it's important to compare coverage and pricing to ensure you're getting the best deal for your specific needs. When reviewing Airalo's plans for Dubai, you'll find that they often collaborate with local network providers to offer service. This can mean a difference in coverage quality depending on which provider is being used for your specific plan. Some networks might offer more reliable service in certain areas of Dubai, while others may have limitations. To avoid any surprises, it's a good idea to check Airalo's coverage map before committing to a plan. You can also contact their customer support to confirm which network will be supporting your eSIM while you're in the region. While Airalo has a reputation for providing competitive options, one thing to keep in mind is that their prices can sometimes be higher than those of other eSIM providers like Maya Mobile. When comparing the costs for similar amounts of data, Airalo's pricing might not be as budget-friendly, especially for short-term trips. They offer a wide selection of plans tailored to specific regions, and their coverage spans over 190 countries worldwide. This extensive global reach is beneficial if you plan on traveling to multiple countries on a single trip, as you can use Airalo's eSIM in various destinations without needing to change providers. Another advantage of Airalo is the user-friendly interface on their app, which makes it easy to activate and manage your eSIM. The app allows you to quickly select and purchase your plan, and the activation process is straightforward. Once activated, you can easily monitor your data usage and purchase additional data if needed. For those who prefer more flexibility and coverage when traveling, Airalo may still be a solid choice. It's always a good idea to take the time to review all available options, compare coverage, and assess your specific data needs to make an informed decision. Maya Mobile is another popular choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable eSIM provider, particularly for travelers. The service offers great support, broad coverage, and competitive pricing. Plus, they have a discount available for new users, so it's a great time to sign up. The first thing to consider when using any eSIM provider, including Maya Mobile, is coverage. You want to ensure you'll have access to data as soon as you land at your destination. Fortunately, Maya Mobile provides an easy-to-navigate coverage map on their website. For example, if you're traveling to a major city like Dubai, you can simply check the coverage map to confirm that Maya Mobile's service will be available in that area. Typically, locations like Dubai are well covered by Maya Mobile, ensuring a strong connection when you need it most. It's also essential to verify that your phone supports eSIM technology before purchasing a plan. Maya Mobile supports a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Android phones, and even some Windows devices. They have a list of compatible phones on their website, so it's easy to check if your device works with their service. After confirming coverage and device compatibility, the next step is selecting a data plan that fits your needs. Maya Mobile offers a variety of plans, ranging from short-term options to long-term ones, depending on the duration of your trip and the amount of data you require. For example, if you're staying in Dubai for 30 days and need 5 GB of data, you can easily choose that plan directly from their website. Pricing is clearly listed, so you know exactly what to expect when you select your plan. Once you've selected your plan, simply click on Activate Now, and you'll receive a QR code by email. This QR code is the key to activating your eSIM, and once it arrives, activating your eSIM is quick and simple. Just scan the QR code with your phone's camera, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be all set to start using your eSIM. Maya Mobile also offers a detailed guide on their website to help you with the activation process, ensuring that it's as straightforward as possible. If you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer support team is readily available to assist. With its user-friendly interface, reliable coverage, and flexible plans, Maya Mobile is an excellent choice for staying connected while traveling. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, their eSIM services make it easy to stay connected without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards or dealing with roaming fees.